Alright, so I got all the speaker wire in. Left, right speaker. Right rear speaker. Right front speaker. I got the my 3 outputs, rear, front, and sub. Got my hot, my ground, my memory, my remote wire, left rear, left front, and I ran the RCAs around. Still, I'm not done yet. Still cleaning shit up. You know what I'm saying? It's up underneath the carpet. All the way back around. See it right there. It's going up underneath the seat to the back. Excuse me for all this movement. Got the 0 gauge ran all the way around. Don't mind that other 4 gauge wire. I tucked it right in through there. It's the old 4 gauge. And it comes down under there. Clean it up still. I gotta give me some new carpet to put in. Shit only cost about $100, so get that new carpet. It's running there underneath, straight through the back, and up through the back seat, up kinda in that crease right there. Straight to the trunk. So I got my RCA outputs over there. Speaker wire, I got my 6x9s, you know what I'm saying? Find another ground spot, so put my 0 gauge ground there. You know what I'm saying? But right now, you know what I'm saying, that's pretty much it. I'm about to go ahead and clean everything up and wire everything up. Put the radio in and put the seat back in. After I wire everything up, clean everything back up, put the panels back in, shoot another video. Got your 4-box Chevy boy.